do the link here. Now we're about to...
Who's we?
Me and them.
Oh, yes, YouTube.
Now we're about to do the link right here. That link, and that bolt, grind them off. So let's do this.
A few moments later.
All right, so we never did the unboxing of this.
Is that the links? We don't even know we have the right links?
Exactly, I just realized. Can you open that? Because we just cut off the links.
No. You cut off the links.
Okay, when I say we, I mean me and...
Yes.
Can you open this, please? Just tear it open.
Chassis parts. 100% performance testing. 100% new premium component. Meet or exceed OEM specification.
I mean, that looks like them. That looks the same.
Yes, I'm giving you the Canadian Tire one because I want to watch you suffer.
Thanks.
But the suffering is definitely part of it.
Oh, fuck. Oh.
Was that a stud in the knee?
It was a stud in the knee. Off. And get this. The new one, actually beefier. No way. Look at that. The new one's much beefier.
It said meets or exceeds factory specifications right on the box.
Oh.
Wrong link.
Yep, wrong link. This is the front one. Perfect. Yeah, regular sized. Oh well, still cool.
Yeah.
This goes on here.
Can we watch Scott suffer from close up here? Really? A little bit, I guess, maybe. You guys have a better view than me. He's suffering, I promise you.
Yeah.
WatchScottSuffer.com.
This is definitely suffering. And then for this one, can you get me the red jack? Like and subscribe, guys. Press the notification bell. I know it sounds dumb. I know everyone's tired of hearing it. It does help us. It helps us so much.
Now we got the old jack, new jack, and a suffering scooter.
New Jack City. Boom. Watch Scott suffer my ass. Watch Scott succeed. More like it. Because right now, success.
Stealing another nut from another bag because he's nuts like that. I can stroke that for you. It'd be my pleasure to jack you off. Appropriate height now. There's no jacking to be done.
Nope.
Bullshit. Didn't even get to stroke it.
That has new links, new brakes, new discs. I'm not happy.
What is that?
That was 22 times harder.
2.5 hours to do a brake job and a link change?
On one side.
So, how was that?
Terrible.